webinar class is online revision. This is subject Maths 1B revision for the second year students. Myself, V. Suhasini, Principal FSC, TSRS and JC Girls Bodhan at Edapalli. Dear children, today we are going to revise the topic straight lines. Three important concepts, namely foot of the perpendicular theorem, image theorem, and a question on how to find the circumcenter of a given triangle when vertices of the triangle are given. These are the expected long answer questions in IPA, children. Look at the diagram, children. There are two perpendicular lines. And ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a line. Px1, y1 is a point in the plane. And a perpendicular is drawn from Px1, y1 onto the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. QH, K is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P onto the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Please look at the question. Look at the diagram carefully, dear children. Px1, y1 is a point. And from P, what are we doing? We're drawing a perpendicular. From where? From P. Onto which line we're drawing the perpendicular? Onto the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So perpendicular drawn from P meets the line at a point. Where is that point? QH, K. And then QH, K is called the foot of the perpendicular of P onto the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. In this regard, we are going to prove that h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Hope the statement is clear for you all. I shall repeat once again, dear children. If QH, K is the foot of the perpendicular from Px1, y1 to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then prove that h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Diagram explains us two important things, that PQ is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. There are two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Number 1 point. And the point Q, h, K is on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Is this clear? These are the two important things to be traced to solve this problem, children. First important thing is PQ is perpendicular to the line L is equal to 0. The second important thing is the point Q lies on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let us write given points. Let us solve it. Let us prove it step by step, dear children. First, let us take the given points. How many points are given? 2 points. The first point is Px1, y1. And the second point is QH, K. And what more is given in the question, children? It's a line. What is that line? L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Look at the diagram and understand the first point. The line PQ is perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When the two lines are perpendicular to each other, what is the condition? Slope of the first line into slope of the second line is equal to minus 1. So first we shall find the slope of the line PQ. And then slope of the line L is equal to 0. Dear children, look at the line PQ. We know Px1, y1 and QH, K on the line PQ. When you know 2 points on the line, the slope of the line can be found using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We can find the slope using that formula. Then slope of the line PQ is equal to k minus y1. K minus y1 by h minus x1. Hope this is clear for you all. Now, how can we find the slope of the line, children? Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When the equation is given, In the first case, we got the slope of the line using 2-point formula because we know the coordinates of the point PQ. Now, we are going to find the slope again, slope of the line again, of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, but using the formula minus x coefficient by y coefficient, because in the second case, we know the equation. In the first case, we know the coordinates of the 2 points on the line. Hope this is clear. We got the slope of the line PQ and slope of the line L. How are the lines? The lines PQ and AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Then slope of PQ into slope of L is equal to -1. Slope of PQ into slope of the line L is equal to -1. Write the slope of the PQ and the slope of the line L, and which is equal to -1. And we shall cross multiply it in such a way that h minus x1 by a. I shall just take the pencil. Minus gets cancelled. The term a divided by h minus x1, when sent onto the other side, numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Isn't it, children? When we send x by y onto the other side, it will become y by x. Therefore, a by h minus x1, when we send onto the other side of equality, will become h minus x1 by a is equal to what already is there on the left hand side will remain like that only. What is there on the left hand side? K minus y1 by b. K minus y1 by b is remaining like that only. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Both are equal. Both are equal to which value? We don't know. Let that value be lambda. Let that some constant. It's a lambda. Now our aim is to find out what is the value of lambda. Is this clear, children? Now, a equal to b equal to c. In the sense, a is equal to c and b is equal to c. H minus x1 by a is equal to lambda and k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda. Okay, then equate h minus x1 by a is equal to lambda. Similarly, k minus second bracket, k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda. Now from the first value, h minus x1 by a equal to lambda, can we find h, children? Yes. How? Cross multiply a, send denominator a to other side, then it will become a lambda on the right hand side. Then h will be equal to minus x1, sending other side will become plus x1. H equal to x1 plus a lambda. H is equal to x1 plus a lambda. Similarly, find the value of k, children. Take b onto the right hand side. Then k minus y1 is equal to b lambda. Then k is equal to y1 plus b lambda. Hope this is clear for you all. First, we got h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to lambda. Equating h minus x1 by a equal to lambda and then k minus y1 by b equal to lambda, from which we can find the values of h comma k. What is h? x1 plus a lambda. And what is k, children? y1 plus b lambda. Hope this is clear for you all. We shall repeat it once again. H is equal to x1 plus a lambda and k equal to y1 plus b lambda. H comma k, together we are writing because q h comma k is a point. X1 plus a lambda comma y1 plus b lambda. The point h comma k lies on the line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Where is the point, children? I shall just show the diagram in the previous slide. See, where is the point q h comma k? H comma k is on the line. It's the foot of the perpendicular from P onto the line L is equal to 0. In the sense, q h comma k lies on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, wherever there is x, we substitute h, and wherever there is y, we substitute k. Then it will become, the line will become, the equation of the line will become ah plus bk plus ck equal to 0. Is this clear for you all, dear children? Ah plus bk plus ck plus c is equal to 0. And then we shall substitute the value of h and k here in the equation. We got h is equal to x1 plus a lambda and k is equal to y1 plus b lambda. And in place of h, we shall substitute x1 plus a lambda, and in place of k, we shall substitute y1 plus b lambda. And plus c is as it is. Is this clear, children? Now, we shall multiply a with the terms inside the bracket ax1 plus a into a lambda, a square lambda, plus by1 plus b into b lambda, b square lambda, plus c is equal to 0. Is this clear for you all, dear children? After multiplication and rearranging the terms, we shall get, taking lambda, a square plus b square lambda is equal to taking minus common, sending other times, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. A into a lambda, a square lambda, plus b into b lambda, b square lambda. Taking lambda common, a square plus b square times lambda. What remains? ax1 plus by1 plus c. And all these terms are sent onto the right hand side of this equation. Then it will become minus. Then lambda is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. And this lambda value is substituted in the equation 1. We get h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda was there in the equation 1. Now we are substituting lambda value. Therefore, h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is very, very, very important theorem, children. You can also solve the problem using this. You will be given, find the foot of the perpendicular from a point onto the line. So from the line, you substitute a, b, c values, and the point you substitute in place of x1, y1 in the statement. Then you can find the value of h comma k by equating the first one to h minus x1 by a equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square, and k minus y1 by b equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Then h comma k will be the foot of the perpendicular. A problem can also be solved on this concept. Please try the problem, children. It's there in the exercise. Please go through the question. And I would like to revise one important thing here. What all we need to remember for this statement is just ulta two perpendicular lines. From where the perpendicular is drawn? From P. Onto where? Onto the line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If we take Q as h comma k and P as x1 y1, then we get h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. There are two important points to be noted in this statement. One is PQ perpendicular to the line L is equal to 0. Perpendicular in the sense, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular implies the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. And the second important thing is the point Q Where is the point Q? Q lies on L is equal to 0. Q lies on L is equal to 0. That's all. From the diagram itself, you can make out. See, PQ is perpendicular to L. And here, the point Q is on the line L is equal to 0. Hope this is all clear for you all. Shall we move to the next concept, children? Dear children, we are going to look at the next theorem, which is also called image theorem. Let us take the statement, children. If QH, K is the image of P x1, y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then prove that h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Hope you can get some similarities from the before statement to this statement. Yes. In the previous statement, we were talking about the foot of the perpendicular, whereas in this statement, we are talking about the image. Foot remains on the line where image extends below the line or above the line. Okay. So, it's a doubler than the value what we got in the previous case. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to only minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square in foot of the perpendicular. But in the image, it will become 2 times. So, this point is to be noted. Hope this is clear for you all. Now, how to prove? Because half of the statement is same, half of the proof will also be remain same, children. Let us draw the diagram. Understand the diagram carefully. We have a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in the plane. With respect to this line, we are going to find the image of the point px1, y1. Image will be formed, suppose at qh, k. Then pq will be the perpendicular bisector, or I'm sorry, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 will be the perpendicular bisector of the line segment PQ. I shall repeat. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 will be the perpendicular bisector of the line segment PQ. What does it mean? It means the midpoint of PQ will be on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Suppose if we take A as the midpoint of PQ, then A lies on ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Also, PQ will be perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. How are the two lines, PQ and the line L is equal to 0? Perpendicular. Hope this is clear. The same concept. When the first line is perpendicular to second line, same as the previous case, dear children. PQ is perpendicular to the line L is equal to 0. If you remember the diagram, the greatness of the statement is, if you remember the diagram, you shall better concentrate on the steps we discussed now. Given point, first we shall write the given points, children. Given points Px1, y1 and Qh, k. And what more is given? The line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. These are the given values. And we are assuming that A is the midpoint of the line PQ. What is the midpoint of the line PQ, children? Capital A. Now, we shall observe that PQ is perpendicular to the line L is equal to 0. Since the two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is equal to -1. Product of the slopes is equal to -1. So we shall find the slope of the line PQ, same just as in your previous statement. How to find the slope of PQ, children? We know Px1, y1 and Qh, k. When we know 2 points on the line, the slope of the line can be found using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it is k minus y1 divided by h minus x1. Now, we should write the slope of the line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When the equation of the straight line is known, its slope can be found using the formula minus x coefficient by y coefficient. What is x coefficient of the straight line? A. And what is the y coefficient of the straight line? B. Hence, its slope is minus a by b. Since we shall write a statement, since the lines PQ and it's singular children, since the lines PQ and AX plus BY plus C are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. We get slope of the line PQ into the slope of the line L is equal to minus 1. Slope of the first line, that is PQ, K minus Y1 by H minus X1 into the slope of the line minus A by B is equal to minus 1. Observe, dear children, is it not the same as our previous statement, or previous proof, put of the perpendicular? Yes, it is. So H minus X1 by A is equal to K minus Y1 by B is, suppose we will take this as lambda, same as previous statement. Here we shall find the lambda. In the previous case, the lambda was found using the concept, using a point that QH comma K lies on the line. Here, the lambda is going to be found using another point because in this case, Q is not on the line. Then who is on the line? A is on the line. Q is not on the line in this case. Who is on the line? Capital A is on the line. But how can we find A? A is the midpoint of PQ. A is midpoint of PQ. So we shall find the midpoint of PQ. Since A is the midpoint of PQ, we get A is equal to, find the midpoint. How can we find the midpoint? Using the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 plus, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Yes, we got the midpoint. And let us substitute this point A in the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 because A lies on the line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Just look at the diagram, understand the steps, and substitute x coordinate of A in place of x and substitute y coordinate of A in y of the state of the equation. Then on simplification we shall get, simplify properly beta. I shall take another color. A into x1, ax1 plus b into y1, by1 plus a into h, ah plus b into k, bk plus whole divided by 2. Take an LCM will become c, multiplied with c, 2c. Whole divided by 2 will go on to the right hand side and will become into 2. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is ax1 plus by1 plus ah plus bk plus 2c is equal to 0. Let us simplify further, children. ax1 plus by1 plus 2c is equal to minus ah and minus of ah plus bk. Minus of ah plus bk. We know what is h and what is k from the step 1. There we got h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to lambda, from which we got h is equal to a lambda plus x1 and k is equal to b lambda plus y1. Let us substitute that h comma k on the right hand side of equation 2. We shall get ax1 plus by1 plus 2c is equal to minus of a h. In place of h, now we are going to write the value of h. What is h? x1 plus a lambda plus b, k. What is k? y1 plus b lambda. That's all. Left hand side remains same, children. ax1 plus by1 plus 2c. And then multiply a into x1, ax1, a into a lambda, a square lambda, plus b into y1, by1, plus b into b lambda, b square lambda. This all inside the bracket, outside it is minus. Hope this is clear for you all children. Now, slowly, you take only lambda terms on one side. This is a square lambda and plus b square lambda. Clear, children? Now, what am I doing? I'm interested in finding the value of lambda, so I have to substitute in the equation 1. So, collecting lambda from the lambda terms. There are only two terms which includes lambda. They are a square lambda plus b square lambda. Can we take lambda common, children? Yes, we shall. Taking lambda common, it is a square plus b square times lambda. And this is multiplied with minus sign in the above equation. When we are transposing onto the other side, with respect to addition, it will become plus. So a square plus b square times lambda is equal to, we shall concentrate on the simplification part, children. This is minus ax1. And we have already another ax1 this side. So transposing plus ax1 to the right hand side, we shall get minus ax1. Minus ax1 will become minus 2ax1. Similarly, the case with by1. Transposing plus by1 with respect to addition onto the right hand side, it will become minus by1. We already have minus by1 on the right hand side. So together it makes minus 2by1. Also, 2c is transposed to the right hand side with respect to addition, which will become minus 2c. Taking minus 2 common out of all these terms, we shall get minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c, from which lambda is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. And substituting this lambda value in the equation 1, we shall get h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is a proof of the image theorem, children. So the one important thing I would like to discuss is another important thing I would like to discuss is how to find the circumcenter of the triangle when the vertices of the triangle are given. Dear children, here we are going to discuss two varieties, two methods, depending upon your interest, we can solve. Okay, first I'm discussing method 1. Dear children, before going to the proof or the method of how to get the circumcenter of the triangle, I will explain what is circumcenter. Hope you know. Still, I would like to just revise the concept we already know, children. The beauty of the coordinate geometry is the solution will become more and more easier as you understand the concept deeper and deeper. Let us take a triangle, children. Suppose ax1, y1 and bx2, y2, cx3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle ABC. What are a, b, c, children? Are the vertices of triangle ABC. And if a circle is passing through these three vertices of the triangle, what is passing? Which geometric figure is passing? A circle is passing through the three vertices of the triangle ABC. Then the center of this circle, suppose S is the center of the circle. This S is called the circumcenter of the circle and also the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. And this center is the center of the circle. And circle is called circumcircle. And the circle passing through all the three vertices of the triangle is called circumcircle. And S is called the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. And this circumcenter is also the center of the circumcircle. Because the center of the circle is equidistant from all the points on the circumference of the circle. I shall repeat. If you have a circle, and if you have a center for the circle, and if you have a point P, and if you have a point Q, and if you have center as S, what can we say? SP is the radius. SQ is also the radius. Suppose we have a point R and the circumference of the circle, then SR will also become the radius. Therefore, every point on the circumference of the circle will be equidistant from its center of the circle. Basing on this point, we can say that A, B, C are the points on the circle and S is the center. Therefore, SA will be equal to SB is equal to SC. Is that clear for you all, children? This is the idea of solving this problem. We have many ideas of solving a problem. From this idea, we shall solve the above problem as follows. Please look at the solution. Look at the screen, children. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are -2, 3, 2, -1, and 4, 0. Solution. First, let us write the given points, children. Name the given points. Capital A -2, 3, B 2, -1, and C 4, 0. Is this clear? And what we need to find out is circumcenter. Let us take, yes, x, y be the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. When it is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC, it follows SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. It's the main important point to be noted. All the three distances are equal. Equal to what? Equal to radius. From which we shall get SA is equal to SB and also SB is equal to SC. First one, SA is equal to SB. Let us consider the case where SA is equal to SB. SA is the distance, SB is the distance. We have 2 points, S, x, y, and A -2, 3. Since the distance between 2 points, take the formula under root x2 - x1 whole square plus y2 - y1 whole square. We shall square on both sides in order to remove the square root. Then we shall get SA equal to SB is the equation. When we square on both sides, it will become SA square is equal to SB square. And we know S is x, y, A is -2, 3, B is 2, -1 from the hypothesis. Let's just substitute in the distance formula. SA, x2 - x1, SA square. So x2 - x1 whole square plus y2 - y1 whole square. So we take x. There is a minus in the formula and minus in the x coordinate. Therefore, it will become x minus of minus plus. Hence, it is x plus 2 whole square. Next, y -3 whole square is equal to, another side it is SB. Another side it is SB. SB x -2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Minus of minus. So it will become x -2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Hope distance formula you know. You might have even solved in the locus, revised in the locus. So we shall spend much time on concept rather than the calculations, dear children. And expand the left-hand side and right-hand side using the formulas a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. This is opening the first bracket, x plus 2 whole square, which is x square plus 4 plus 4x. First square of the first term plus square of the second term plus 2 into first term into second term. 2 into x into 2. 2 to the 4x. Similarly, opening the second bracket, square of the first term, square of the second term, minus 2 times first term into second term, 2 into y into 3. 2 3 is 6 into y. Now, expanding x minus 2 whole square. Square of the first term, square of the second term, minus 2 into x, 4x. This is opening the first bracket on the right hand side. Now open the second bracket. Square of the first term, square of the second term, plus 2 into first term into second term. 2 into 1 into y, 2y. That's all. Just look at the terms which could be cancelled. X square can be cancelled. Y square can be cancelled. And what remains can be put together and simplified. What remains is 8x minus 8y plus 8 equal to 0. Just observe the x terms, 4x, and here it is minus 4x. When minus 4x is transformed to transposed to the left hand side with respect to addition, it will become plus 4x. So 4x plus 4x will become 8x. Similarly, minus 6y and it is plus 2y. Plus 2y when transposed to the left hand side with respect to addition will become minus 2y. We already have minus 6y on left hand side. Hence, it shall be minus 8y. And the constant on simplification will be 8. Can we take 8 common from the equation? Yes. Taking 8 common and sending on to the other side, it shall simply become x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, which is equation 2. What was equation 1? SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. And how did we get equation 2? By taking SA equal to SB and on simplification. Then what can we do? We shall take another equation SB is equal to SC, square on both sides, and simplify in the same procedure by taking S equal to x comma y, B equal to 2 comma minus 1, and C equal to 4 comma 0. On simplification, we shall arrive at the equation 2. Equation 3. It is equation 3. Our equation 2 is from okay. So it is 4x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. Solving these two equations. Solving 2 and 3, we shall get. What are 2 and 3 equations? Just look here. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 4x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. We shall get. Hope you know method of solving the simultaneous equations. We get the circumcenter Sx comma y is equal to 3 by 2 comma pi by 2 is method 1. Is this clear, children? Now we shall also see how to find the circumcenter in method 2. The geometric concept of understanding this method 2 is as follows. Dear children, let us take a triangle ABC. Let us take a triangle ABC. And circumcenter of the triangle is also the point of concurrency of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle. Suppose you have the side AB of the triangle ABC and the side BC of the triangle ABC. Let us consider the perpendicular bisector of these two sides. Suppose the perpendicular bisector of the side AB is the line L1. Then what is L1? L1 is a line which passes through the midpoint of AB and will also be perpendicular to AB. Similarly, consider the perpendicular bisector of the side BC. So let this be L2. How is L2 to BC, children? It is perpendicular. Also, this line L2 will pass through the midpoint of BC. L1 passes through midpoint of AB and L2 passes through midpoint of BC. L1 is perpendicular to AB and L2 is perpendicular to BC. Hence, L1 is a perpendicular bisector of the line AB and L2 is a perpendicular bisector of the side BC. And the point of intersection of L1 and L2, that is, the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle is the circumcenter. Therefore, now our aim is to find the equation of L1, find the equation of L2, and solve them for the point of intersection. Is this clear for you all? So how to find the perpendicular bisectors then? How to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector? Suppose if we take the given points A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, and C as x y is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square plus y2 square divided by 2. If you are finding the perpendicular bisector for the line AB, where A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, then its equation is difference of their x coordinates multiplied with x plus difference of their y coordinates multiplied with y on the left hand side is equal to sum of the squares of x coordinates and y coordinate of the first point minus sum of the squares of the x coordinate and y coordinate of the second point divided by 2. It's very easy to remember and easy to solve. It's a time saving and very easy and easy scoring, children. Please, if you can remember just this formula you can, and simplify carefully, you shall get a point. So x1 minus x2 into x plus y1 minus y2 into y is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square plus y2 square by 2. Just remember, what is this equation? Perpendicular bisector of the side AB. Therefore, A will be the x1, y1 and B will be the x2, y2. On to which side you are applying formula is very important. To which side you are applying the formula? To the side AB. Therefore, one end will become A x1, y1, the other end will become x2, y2. Just substitute the values and simplify. You shall get an equation directly. Let this be equation 1. One perpendicular bisector we got. Similarly, taking B and C, we shall find same equation, same formula, but instead of x1, y1, now we write, instead of x1, x2, we shall write x2, x3, simply, because B is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3. Is this clear, children? x2 minus x3 into x plus y2 minus y3 into y is equal to x2 square plus y2 square minus x3 square plus y3 square divided by 2. If it is x1, y1, the formula is in terms of x1, y1. If the points are x2, y2, the formula is x2, y2 and x3, y3, the formula is this. Just substitute the values and simplify. Then we shall get the equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 are the perpendicular bisectors of the triangle ABC. Solve these two, we shall get 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2, which is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Is this clear for you all, children? The first method is through the concept that S is the center and A comma B comma C are equidistant from S. Therefore, SA equal to SB equal to SC. The second concept is just using a formula, easy way of scoring and time saving procedure. That is direct formula for the perpendicular bisectors and solving them. Hope you understand, children. I wish you all the best. These are very, very important for a final exam point of view. Tomorrow we shall meet again on the same time with the same chapter on the some more important questions. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Have a happy learning. May God bless you all day, children.